Good morning students. So welcome back to the English grammar class. In the last lecture we had finished the exercise of book, our English grammar book, and on page number 11 question number B, it was finished. Okay, and now we will study question number C, that is you have two column of pictures, combine their names to make new words or compound words. So before going to that exercise, I want to explain you what are compound words. Okay, so I have written it here. Don't write anything just now, just understand. Okay, I will tell you when to write. मैं बता दूँगी कब लिखना है. For now we are just understanding. Okay, so compound words. Compound words means the words made by joining two different words. Okay, words made by joining two different words. दो अलग अलग तरह के वर्ड्स को हम ज्वाइन करते हैं एंड वी गॉट अ डिफरेंट वर्ड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्ले एंड ग्राउंड. ओके, प्ले इज डिफरेंट, ग्राउंड इज डिफरेंट, राइट? बट व्हेन वी ऐड दीज टू वर्ड्स, व्हाट वी गेट? प्लेग्राउंड. PLAYGROUND. Playground, the ground on which we play. Okay, then another example is foot, 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 and BALL ball. Okay, and if we join these two words, what we get? We get football. FOOT BALL ball. Okay, we get football. So compound words are the words which are made by joining two different types of words. So now let's start the exercise. Open page number 11 because the first question is given on page number 11. And sharpen your pencils. And try to note down correct things in one go. Okay, don't rub again and again with your eraser. Otherwise it will make your book look messy. Okay, so page number 11 of English grammar book. And we are on question number C. The first question is, okay, two pictures are there. You can see that. Okay, so two pictures are there. One is of a milk can and first is of the butter. It's a piece of butter. And second picture is of a milk can. So if we add these two words, what is the first word? First word is butter. BUTTER, butter. Now start writing fast. Butter plus milk. MILK, milk. And what we get after adding these two words? We get buttermilk. Write fast. Okay, now if you will see, butter is different, milk is different, and buttermilk means something different. Okay, so this is what compound words are. Then turning the page, we get question number 2 there. Turn the page. Now we are on page number 12. Okay, turn the page number 12. Second question is, the first picture is of a cup and the second picture is of a board. Okay, see, I can't make the pictures all the time, so I am writing the spellings, I am writing the words. Okay, cup plus board, BOARD, board. And after adding these two words, what we get? Tubber. Next question is, okay, a foot is there and a ball is there. Very easy. plus BALL ball. So what we get? Football. If you want to write this section under the pictures, you can write it. Okay, if you want to write the names under the picture, you can write it, but writing this column is compulsory. Okay, write it fast. After that I will rub it. And there is no need to write all these things in the notebook. Notebook में अभी कुछ भी नहीं लिखना है. Okay, I will tell you when we will start the notebook. I'll tell you when to write in the notebook. And parents, for the slow writers, again I am telling you, you can take the screenshot or you can pause the screen. You can pause the screen, okay? Then number 4. Okay, so can you see the picture? See, this is a picture of a can, and on this can, honeybee is made, and the second picture is of a honeybee. Okay, so first picture is of a can of honey and the second picture is of a honeybee or simply a bee. So we will write honey, the first picture HONEY, honey, plus the second picture bee, BEE. So what we will get? Honey. Yes, HONEY, honey, BEE. And don't write these words separate. Just as I am writing, जैसे मैं लिख रही हूँ combine करके, the same way you have to write it. Then number 5. A house is there on number 5. First picture is of a house and the second picture is of a boat. Okay. So what is it? A house. House, 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 plus BOAT, boat. Do it yourself. What we will get after adding these two words? We will get HOUSE, house, BOAT, boat. You know what is a houseboat? Houseboat is a boat on which a house is made. Okay, and you can sail the house wherever you want. Houseboat एक ऐसी बोट है जिसपे एक हाउस बना होता है. ओके, हाँ, एंड पीपल लिव इन दैट हाउस, और आप उस हाउस को सेल करके कहीं भी ले जा सकते हैं. Isn't it interesting? Yes. Then number 6. Number 6. A bulb is there, and what the bulb gives us? It gives us light. So first picture is of light, and then second picture is again a house. First picture is LIGHT, light, and second is HOUSE, house. So after combining these two words, दोनों words को combine करने के बाद what we get? We get the word lighthouse. LIGHT, light, HOUSE, house. Okay? Don't write these words separate. अलग करके नहीं लिखना है जैसे हमने यहाँ लिखा है. Okay? हमें उन्हें combine करके लिखना है. Write fast. Number 7. Okay, number 7 is what? It's a P. P means mutter. Okay, it's a mutter over there. And the second picture is of a hen. So let's write it. PEAP plus HEN, hen. And after combining the words, what we get? We get peahen. P-E-A-H-E-N. Peahen. You know what is a peahen? Peahen is the feminine gender of peacock. Peacock का female gender है, feminine gender. Just as the feminine gender of a boy is a girl, man, woman. Okay. The similar way, peacock and peahen. So peahen is the female peacock, we can say. Okay. Then number 8. Number 8 is, okay, what is this? Cloud. And what is happening there? Rain is there. Okay. And the second picture is of a bow. Tir ya kaman. Okay. Bow. It's a bow. So what will be our word? Our word will be rainbow. Okay. So first picture is of rain. Second picture is of bow. B-O-W. Do it in the book only. I am again and again telling you. Okay. Some people send me the book work. Some people do the book work also in the notebook. So don't do this. जब तक मैं ना बोलूँ, book things let them be in the book. Okay. We will write the notebook things in the notebook. I will tell you what to write and what to not. So rain plus bow. What will it become? Rainbow. What will it become? Rainbow. Now this question is over. Please write it fast. Please do it fast. The next question is also of compound words. Okay. Okay, I think you are done with this. I think हो गया सबका. So I am rubbing it out. We will do the next question. That's quite interesting. You have to match the words to make a proper compound word. Okay. I hope with this exercise, compound words have become more clear to you. Okay. Next exercise number D. Matching compound words. Okay. One, two, three. 4, 5 and 6. So what is there in this column? Basket, then play, then tooth, then news, N-E-W-S, news, then spot, then side. Okay, and there in the next column A, Okay, so in both the columns some words are given and we have to match these words to make a compound word. Okay, so let's match the first word of this column to this column. Okay, so basket, let's match it with brush. Basket, brush. Is it something? No. Basket, walk. No. Basketball, yes. Okay, so basket, match the word basket with ball, with a pencil. Okay, do it in the book only. Basket will match the word basket with the word ball. So what word we will get after matching these? We get the word basketball. Okay, then play. Play, brush. No. Play, walk. No. Play, light. Playground. Playground. Is playground a proper word? Yes. So play, match this word play with ground, and yeah, do it with scale, a ruler. Okay, do it with a ruler. Don't do it with the running hand as I am doing, because I don't have a scale right now. I don't have a ruler, so I am trying to match it with my hand. But you will do this with the help of a ruler, a scale. Okay. So play, ground. We matched the word play with the word ground. Then tooth, brush. Yes, toothbrush, right? The brush with which you brush your teeth daily, right? So that's a toothbrush. Tooth. Number 3, tooth. We will match it with the first word A. So what will it become? Toothbrush. Okay. Then 4th word is news. Let's match it. These words are done, so we will not match it with these words. News. Walk. Is news walk a word? No, I don't think so. News light. No. News. Ground is done, so we will not match it with ground. News paper. Yes, newspaper. Do you read newspaper daily? Do you read it? No, it doesn't matter whether a Hindi newspaper or an English newspaper. Do you read newspaper daily? See, start reading the newspapers. It will help you in developing your reading skills, okay, and your understanding skills as well. Then 5th word is spot. So spot walk. Is spot walk a word? No. Spot light. Can we match it with light? Yes, we can, because spotlight is a word. It's a proper word with having a proper meaning. Spotlight. Okay. Then side walk. Sidewalk. Please do it fast. Done? Okay, so on this note, our first chapter of English grammar is over. The first chapter about word, it's over now. So just for now, don't write anything in your English grammar notebook. English grammar notebook में अभी कुछ भी नहीं लिखना है. आज तो कुछ नहीं लिखना है. Okay. So let's take a quick revision. I am taking a quick revision of the chapter of whatever we had studied in this chapter. So हमने इस chapter में क्या क्या पढ़ा है? First thing we had studied is word. W-O-R-D, word. What is a word? This is the main thing that we had studied. So what is a word? Word क्या है? A word is a group of letters arranged in a meaningful order. Okay? Word क्या है? एक group है letters का. What are letters? These letters, just as in English, what are the letters? E, N, G, L, I, S, H. These are the letters. E is a letter, N is a letter, G is a letter, L is a letter, I is a letter, S is a letter, and H is a letter. Okay, so all these are letters, and when we combined all these letters, okay, when we placed all these letters in an order, so we got a proper word, that is English. हमने जब इन लेटर्स को एक प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में अरेंज किया तो हमें क्या मिला? वी गॉट अ वर्ड इंग्लिश. हमें मिला ये वर्ड इंग्लिश. So is this word having a meaning? Of course it is. Okay. So the next thing about the word is we should be able to speak and write a word. So are we able to speak and write this word? क्या हम इस word को बोल और लिख सकते हैं? Yes, we can. Then third thing to remember about a word is the words, they denote or they describe so many things. For example, person, places, ideas, actions, etc. Okay. So what is this word describing? It is describing a language. English is a language now? Yes, it's a language. It's not a subject. It is a language. Okay. So and yeah, we had studied about a special word, that is I. I is a word that is made by only one letter, that is the letter I. And yeah, I is also a word. I is also a letter when we write it in small. The small I is a letter and the capital I is a word. Okay, it is always written in capital. जब I सिर्फ single होता है, अकेला होता है, तो we write the I in capital always. हमेशा इसे capital में लिखते हैं. Okay. And then we had studied about compound words. Compound words are what? Compound words are the words that are made by joining two different words. Compound words. What are compound words? Today we had studied that compound words are made by joining two different types of words. For example, foot and ball. Foot is different. This is your foot. Okay. This is your foot now. I am very bad at drawing. I am sorry for that. This is your foot. Okay. And this is a ball. Both the words, दोनों words का meaning different है ना? दोनों words का meaning अलग है. But when we combine these two words, we get the name of a very famous game. हम जब इन दोनों words को combine करते हैं तो हमें name मिलता है एक बहुत famous game का. What is that game? Football. Okay. So I think this is it for today. We will study the next thing in the next lecture. I hope you have studied well. I hope you have understood well. सबको समझ में आया. I hope for that. And yeah, that's it. Bye bye. See you. Take care.